here we have a proof of concept for a simple little database at the present moment that can take an image, and the image can be entered from the internet. This was basically how it would look on a web page. I mean, minus some of these little tools at the top would seem different. Some would be hidden, but basically the same thing. They wouldn't be presented. This is more the back end. This is what you guys would see, your jobs for the day, either in list view or in, large view. So let's just go through a little bit about it. So this is using Claris FileMaker, and this is using the get container attribute function, one of the hundreds of functions, so it's really no issue in capturing data and then checking it to make sure that it meets requirements. So in its most simplistic form, okay, we'll just get rid of that one. What we're going to do is we're just going to start with a blank record. So here's someone who would like a puzzle, and this is the picture that they would like, the award-winning photograph from Africa of Artemisia annua. So here we can see it's 135, and let's just say that this is Pamela Weathers, and she could enter in her phone number here, email address, and you can have multiple email addresses work, and other and so once they enter in an email, they're presented with other, etc., etc. So we can limit that, but phone number, same thing. What's their address? Is it home? Where's it being shipped to? Again, all of this can be changed to suit whatever you need, and the state can be changed to province, no problem. This little blank field state prompt. Alert Bay Road down in sunny Barlow, North Dakota. You get the idea. Pretty standard stuff. Okay, so this captures all this image data, and so some of this, of course, would not be displayed in a file. I'm just gathering it in blocks. This is certainly some information that's a little overdone. What's the file size? This is like, is there a transparent layer? All right, so this one has no issues. So what our criteria at this point is going to be, it has to be at least 1,000 pixels wide and 72 dpi. We'll create a new record, one that is false. So this will be Philomena Barlow, and she wants to do a picture of this lovely crow here. So dragging and dropping the image into the container, we get this warning, this width must be 1,000. So letting the potential customer know. I mean, we could pop that up in a dialog box, no problem. So they're close enough, 945. You might want to have some leeway, plus or minus 100 pixels, whatever. Any of that can be built in, but it's just showing proof of concept here. And I have tested this using an online server. Online servers for Claris developed online databases cost about $50 a month. And that can be, lowered over time, but the cool thing about this is it could totally integrate with a back end at your end. You have an accounting system probably. All of that can be integrated, and this can also work on a phone layout so they can upload images right from their phone. Let's see. Well, you know, I don't know. This is a liquid layout, but I may have to create something for phone size, but that again is not an issue. All of these things are designed to work that way. So that is that. So one more time, we'll create a new record and we'll drag an image in of trees on a frozen lake. How beautiful. That would be a nice puzzle. And kind of a challenge, actually. Okay, so no image warning with 1280. And again, this could be, you know, in your case, probably like 3000 and DPI of 144 or higher. All of that can absolutely be checked. So that is the conclusion of that little demo. Thank you.